Good morning everyone, and welcome back to S&B Diaries. Today we're coming to you from the Hotel Riu Reggae in Montego Bay in Jamaica. Got 4 hot food counters dotted about within the buffet style restaurant. You can get your salads, your breakfasts and your traditional Jamaican cuisine: ake, saltfish, jerk chicken, rice and peas, some other tropical fruits here and juices for breakfast. And then it goes through to the indoor dining. So some of these neat restaurants, they need to book on the app. Here's the Asian restaurant, and obviously some of them have additional charges, but it's nice to have a change. 24-hour bar area here, which leads on to the main reception area where you can get your change, check in and catch your transfer buses. And then you have Perez, your Jamaican souvenir, swimwear, outwear, souvenirs and essential supplies, whatever you fancy. Just coming out onto the beach, and you can see the trees blowing in the wind here. It's one of the pools here. Got an accommodation block here on the right hand side. Which brings you onto the main stage area. View of the garden area, and on the left hand side going down here we have some different types of restaurants, and on the corner here is the buffet style restaurant. Have a facial, have a massage. Some more accommodation above the spa and the gym, which leads down to the main reception area, which takes you into the 24-hour bar area. Main reception foyer. You can get a book, play some games. You've got your check-in desk over there. Check out. Oops. You're waiting for your transfers or your day trips in the main reception area. Quite vast and airy.